ho! Merry Christmas, one and all! December is a time of magic and fun, but most importantly of all for the gardener, it's a time to plan and get ready for the new growing season. The clop of hooves and the whiz of Santa's sleigh will get us all in the mood for the festive month. Now it's time to unwrap our latest Christmas Advent Calendar present.
KC Gardening Limited is a full-service garden maintenance company based in Essex, run by Ken Crowther and his team. Their first-class horticultural knowledge produces professional quality services, including consultancy, garden and grounds maintenance, and estate maintenance services to commercial and domestic clients throughout East Anglia. Visit kcgardening.com for more information on how to get your garden ship-shape.
There'll be another Advent Calendar present tomorrow, only on worldradiogardening.com. Come on, Rudolph, let's polish up your red nose and get ready to deliver those